Hello and welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be doing something that everyone knows about, cooking a Hot Pocket. But we're not just going to do a normal cook here. We're going to be cooking our Hot Pocket on the air fryer. Yes, that's right, on the air fryer. So I have an idea that I think that air fryer is going to make the Hot Pocket a lot crispier than it normally would in the microwave. So let's get down into it. Now we can show you how to do it.
So go ahead and take out your Hot Pocket out of the package. You won't need none of the other stuff like you would put it in the microwave. Yeah, you just want to go ahead and discard that. So go ahead and place your Hot Pockets in your air fryer. Go ahead and spray with just a little bit of oil on the Hot Pocket. This will help make it a little bit crispier. Okay, so we're going to set our air fryer at 390 degrees for 6 minutes. So after that 6 minutes, go ahead and give your Hot Pockets a flip. That way you can cook the other side. And what you want to do is you want to just spray a little bit of oil on that back side there. Alright, so you want to go ahead and set your air fryer at 390 degrees and cook it for another 6 minutes. Alright, after that 6 minutes, you're ready to eat. Go ahead and serve them up to your kids or yourself. They got a nice crunchy exterior, just the way I like it. Look at that color.
Well, that's how you make a Hot Pocket in the air fryer. It comes out crunchy, crispy, and just the way I like them. It reminds me of the Hot Pockets that I used to get in school way back then. But it just came out to exactly how I wanted it. Nice crispy exterior and a gooey inside. So this is the first time you're coming to my channel. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And hit the little bell so that we can see all my future videos. I have a brand new air fryer and I'm using it like crazy. And so you'll be able to see a lot of new recipes. And if you have any questions or you want to say anything about this recipe, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And while you're at it, hit the like button. Y'all take care. Be beautiful.
Also, go check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.